Xiana Fashion, a global catwalk revolution. Get ready for a fashion revolution. Xiana Fashion is here to change the game. We are not just another fashion show. We are a global phenomenon, bringing style and innovation to runways around the world. Our mission is simple, to empower dreams and redefine beauty standards. We believe everyone deserves to shine. With every show, we're changing the world, one fabulous outfit at a time. Join us as we paint the world with style and celebrate the power of fashion. From India to the world, a journey of creativity, passion, and innovation. A fashion journey begins. This is the story of Xiana Fashion, a brand that started with a dream and a vision. Xiana Fashion was born in India in 2022, amidst the vibrant culture and rich heritage of this incredible country. We had a vision to create a global platform for fashion, beauty, and opportunity. Our goal was to bring together the best talents from around the world. We started small, but our passion was huge. In a modest workshop, our dedicated team of designers worked tirelessly, pouring their hearts into every stitch and seam. Soon, our unique vision took flight. Our designs began to capture the attention of fashion enthusiasts and industry experts alike. We expanded rapidly, bringing our dazzling runway shows to Japan, where the audience embraced our innovative styles with open arms. Great Britain, France, Italy, Germany, and the USA. Each new location brought new challenges and opportunities, and we rose to meet them with determination and creativity. Our global presence is a testament to our commitment to diversity and inclusivity. We believe that fashion should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or identity. We believe that fashion knows no boundaries. Our shows feature models from all walks of life, showcasing the beauty of diversity. Xiana Fashion is a melting pot of cultures, styles, and dreams, all woven together on the runway. Our designers draw inspiration from their unique backgrounds, creating a tapestry of fashion that is both rich and varied, all woven together on the runway. As we look to the future, we remain committed to pushing the boundaries of fashion, celebrating diversity, and creating opportunities for all. Join us on this incredible journey and be a part of the Xiana Fashion story. 2024 has been a phenomenal year for Xiana Fashion. Our runway shows have captivated audiences worldwide. We've partnered with top designers, celebrated emerging talent, and set new trends. Our commitment to excellence has driven incredible financial growth. We've seen a surge in revenue, proving the power of our unique approach. Our success is a testament to the hard work, passion, and creativity of the entire Xiana Fashion team. Beauty queens and brand power, a winning partnership. In the world of fashion, collaboration is key. When beauty queens and fashion brands come together, magic happens. We believe in the power of collaboration. It's not just about the glitz and glamour, it's about creating something meaningful and impactful. That's why we've partnered with some of the most influential beauty queens in the world. These partnerships are more than just business deals. They are alliances that bring out the best in both parties. Miss Puerto Rico 2023, Miss India 2024, Miss Russia 2023, and many more have joined hands with us. Miss USA 2024 have all graced our runways, showcasing not just their beauty, but also their incredible talent and charisma. Adding their star power and inspiring messages of empowerment, these beauty queens have become role models for many. They speak about confidence, self-love, and the importance of inner beauty. These partnerships go beyond the runway. They extend into the community, where these beauty queens actively participate in various events and charity work. They amplify our commitment to promoting beauty brands and giving back to the community. Through these collaborations, we aim to make a positive impact on society. Together, we're using fashion as a force for good, inspiring confidence and making a difference. Our fashion shows often carry social messages, encouraging people to think beyond appearances, inspiring confidence and making a difference. We believe that fashion can be a powerful tool for change, and with the help of these incredible beauty queens, we are making strides towards a better future. Section 5, Pre-18, Gen 7, Puerto Rico 2024, Igniting the Future of Fashion. Get ready for the future of fashion. Xiana Fashion is thrilled to announce our involvement in Pre-18, Gen 7, Puerto Rico 2024, a groundbreaking startup contest for young entrepreneurs. We're committed to nurturing the next generation of fashion icons and innovators. This event will showcase the hottest trends, cutting-edge designs, and boldest visions in fashion. We're excited to discover and support the rising stars of the industry. Section 6. Redefining Fashion Metrics. The Xiana Difference. At Xiana Fashion, we're not just about the clothes, we're about the impact. We're redefining what it means to be successful in the fashion world. We believe in empowering models, promoting diversity, and creating opportunities for all. We're moving beyond outdated metrics. We value confidence, individuality, and a passion for fashion. Our innovative approach is shaping a brighter future for the industry, one where everyone has the chance to shine. Section 7. Investing in the future of fashion. Your ticket to success. Imagine a world where fashion is not just about clothing, but a powerful statement of identity, culture, and innovation. This is the future we envision at Xiana Fashion. Are you ready to be part of a fashion revolution? Picture yourself at the forefront of an industry that is constantly evolving, where creativity knows no bounds, and where your investment can make a significant impact. Xiana Fashion is seeking investors who share our passion for style, innovation, and empowerment. We believe that fashion is more than just trends. It's a movement that can inspire and transform lives. By investing in Xiana Fashion, you are not just funding a company, but fueling a vision that aims to break barriers and set new standards in the fashion world. Your investment will fuel our global expansion, support emerging designers, and help us make a real difference in the world. We are committed to nurturing talent from all corners of the globe, providing them with the resources and platforms they need to shine. Imagine the impact of your investment on a young designer from a remote village who, with your support, can showcase their work on an international stage. With a current valuation of 3,000 rupees and a funding target of just 50 rupees, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Our financial projections show a promising future, with potential for significant returns on your investment. We have a clear roadmap for growth, and your contribution can accelerate our journey towards becoming a global fashion powerhouse. Join us as we redefine the future of fashion and create a world where everyone can strut their stuff on the global catwalk. Together, we can build a more inclusive, innovative, and inspiring fashion industry. Your ticket to success is here, and it starts with Xiana Fashion. Let's make history together. Section 8. A global network of style. Xiana's reach extends far and wide. Xiana Fashion is more than just a brand, it's a global community. We've built a network that connects designers, models, stylists, photographers, and fashion enthusiasts from all walks of life. Our reach extends far and wide, uniting fashion lovers across continents. Through our runway shows, events, and online platforms, we're fostering collaboration, igniting creativity, and celebrating the universal language of fashion. When you join Xiana Fashion, you're not just joining a company, you're joining a global family. Section 9. Empowering Dreams, one catwalk at a time. At Xiana Fashion, we believe in the transformative power of dreams. We provide a platform for aspiring models, designers, and entrepreneurs to showcase their talents, chase their passions, and achieve their goals. We're committed to empowering individuals from all backgrounds, regardless of their experience or resources. We believe that everyone deserves the chance to shine, and we're here to make those dreams a reality. Section 10. The Xiana Experience, where fashion meets opportunity. Xiana Fashion is more than just a fashion show. It's an experience. Our events are a fusion of style, energy, and excitement. From the dazzling runways to the exclusive after-parties, we create unforgettable moments that leave a lasting impression. But it's not just about the glamour. We're committed to creating a welcoming and inclusive environment where everyone feels celebrated and empowered. The Xiana experience is about more than just fashion. It's about connection, community, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Section 11. Join the fashion revolution. Invest in Xiana today. Don't miss your chance to be part of something extraordinary. Invest in Xiana Fashion and become part of a global movement that's changing the face of fashion. Together, let's empower dreams, redefine beauty, and make the world a more stylish and inclusive place, one catwalk at a time. Contact us today to learn more about investment opportunities and join the Xiana fashion family.